I bought this strut brace for my Saab 93 from MapTun. I ordered it to my Swedish address and it only took 1 day for it to get here, which is nice. This is the new MapTun logo on this strut brace, and I have to say it looks cleaner compared to the old one. And here we can see the outer part is like a stamped out metal piece that they bend and then they weld it to the bar in the middle and then paint it, of course. And I have to say the overall look of it, quality wise, it looks very nice, and also like the design of how it fits into the car. I'm also very happy with that. And when it comes to the screws, we are not supplied with new screws, but I have like these strut tops. These are from Phoebe Bilstein, and I used the supplied bolts that came with those, and the lengths of these are more than long enough for this strut brace to be mounted to the car. And worst case, if they are not long enough, I guess it's either going to fall off or maybe break, but even if all of them were to fall off, I wouldn't really say that would be any dangerous. When putting the strut brace on, it's not like laying flat onto the strut tops, but when tightening down the bolts, there isn't an issue, and I have to say the fitment overall seems to be very nice, and it's not obstructing any other parts in my car, which is nice. And the overall like look of this seems to be fairly like factory spec without the logo there, of course. So did it change the feel of the car? I would say it's really hard to tell. You won't really like see some major improvements that you would definitely, or you could definitely set like your finger on and such. But I feel when going over a very bumpy road where you like feel the overall chassis flexing on like grass, and then we have like a hump or hill going over those things, I feel maybe the front is not flexing as much and we have less creaking from all of like the plastic inside of the car, because the car is now stiffer in the front. And I also felt maybe the car is more direct and feeling a little bit more direct when initially like turning into a turn. But more than that, it's really hard to tell if that is just like a placebo effect from mounting this, or if it's always been like that, or if it actually improved with the strut brace. But overall, I would say that it didn't really hurt the performance, so I guess it feels better now, and yeah, I'm not like regretting spending the money on this strut brace. For the most part, most of the front end stuff have been changed to new parts, so adding this strut brace I guess made it even better. So I could totally recommend you this if you don't have other things you should update or replace in the front. This is maybe like a more icing on the cake when you're done with those other things, and then you just want to go above and beyond and spend some cash on something that might make things better. But yeah, thank you for watching, I guess.